Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create professional poster background exact PS flow. Open Photoshop and click new file. Then set size 2000 by 2025. Press create, then click gradient tool from the toolbar. Choose dark to light gradient. Now drag from top to bottom slowly. Now click brush tool, select soft round brush and set opacity to 10%. Paint slightly to on corners. Go to the filters, noise and add noise. Set noise